Hey guys, what's up? Today we are gonna learn buttons and input boxes in Tkinter in Python. Alright, now we can just go with it. Now I created a new file called input underscore button.py. Same directory. And I add one more thing, root.title. The title reference to the top line. I'll show you how this looks like. It looks like this. This is the title. Okay, so we can just go back. And now what I'm gonna do, now I'm gonna start input and button creation. So for an input we have entry widget. For that, first of all we want a variable name. I'm gonna give it a name of name only, and then entry, E is capitalized here, entry, inside the entry root, and then we want a font, and font will be nothing but the font size will be 23, and then we can just pack the name. After packing it, this is the entry box. We created an entry box. You can just check it out like that. We have a big entry box. It's working also. Now we can just create our button, which is button. Before that, I'm gonna give the name of btn equals button. B capitalized. Button. And now btn equals button. Now we can give it a root. The text equals, I'm gonna give it a text of submit. Submit and submit. After that we want to give the font or height or width. Just give the height. I'm gonna give the height of something 2 or something, which is so big. Width of like this. The width of this input box, right? So now we can give it a width. Width equals, I'm gonna give it a width of, let's give a width of 47 or something, or just 48. Oh, I'm sorry, we don't pack it. We want to pack it. Let's go back and just pack it here. btn dot pack. Alright, so we pack it. Now yes, now we can just run it. Okay, so we got our input box, we got our button successfully, but it's not working. We don't have any fun in this. This is just boring button and an input box. So let's just go here and just give a function. So for that we want to create a function. For creating a function, we are going to create a function. Let's give a comment. Create function. Alright, now we can just create a function here. df, and then function name, I'm gonna give it a hello, and name means any name. Hello, it will say us hello with the help of this input box, and then we can just pass it. for now. We can just go down and let's give it a command. command. Command is for def, means functions. We can give the function name without parentheses, like what's the function name, which is hello name. don't give the parentheses here, else it will gonna error. Save it and just run it. Now if we type in and just click submit, we don't get any errors, so it is working, means the function is working. Now what we can do is, alright, so now we can just go with it. Now what we are going to do is to just take what is written inside this entry box, this one. So we can just type name dot get and then parentheses 2. So we got the name variable, which is this one. This is the name dot get means what is written inside this, that will come here in this variable. And in this one we need to store this in a variable, and then I give a name underscore get equals this. Alright, so first of all let's print it out and see it's working or not. Print name dot get underscore get, save it and run it. So now if we type in here anything like hello, now if we, nothing is happening here. If we close this, you can see the hello here, means it's working. It's working perfectly. So now what we can do here is to just we don't need to print it on the terminal, we want to print it on that thing on the window. For that we want a label, or before that I'm gonna comment this out. We want a label and this, you don't need to give any variable here. If you want then you can give, but I am not gonna give it here. Just dot back, the last row only, like that. And now we can just give it a root and text equals, before that, before giving the text, now what we are going to do here, just remove this, we don't need to comment out. What I'm gonna do is just this name.get, change this to capitalize. For that, name underscore get dot capitalize, 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 and go to NEW and EW, new underscore name, yes, name equals this. Right, let's paste it here, new name. New and new name, yes, new name, and this variable will come here. We don't need to add any colon or things like that. After this, we can just get for, let's leave it here and let's check it's working or not. Now if we'll add anything else, hello, oh sorry, submit. So we got a hello here, yes, and also the first letter is capitalized. That's what we want. So it's working perfectly. That's what we need. Now what we are going to do is to just change this to F string of Python. Let's go to home and add an F string and just change these, put in curly, and now we can just hello comma space this. Alright, hello comma space this meaning. Alright, so it's working. Let's save it and run it, see how that looks. My name, Soorya. Okay, it is. And in place of this, we can just change it to anything like shares. Alright, it's working really perfectly. That's all we need. We can just give it a bit more padding or something. For that, paddings. Padding in X direction means pad y direction. Then we can use is equals to 10. 10 is good, I think. Yeah, 10 is good. And alright, now we can just do one thing. Now we can give a font size. This font is so small. Font, go to font of, let's get a font of 23 or something. Alright, so it's working perfectly. Letter real name, it's working. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. My name is Soorya from Soorya School. So see you in the next video.